Sometimes, unfortunately, some children take advantage of their parents. We had a case recently where a daughter formed an out-of-state LLC to help facilitate the purchase of $2 million homes for the clients. The elderly clients were led to believe that they were members of the LLC, but she never made them members of the LLC. And after the properties were transferred into that LLC, she then illicitly transferred both properties out of the corporate entity and into her personal name. It took a lot of investigation to figure out exactly what had happened with all of the interstate transfers. Eventually, we were able to get both properties transferred properly back to the parents and resolve all of that situation in their favor. So I would always recommend that you get a real estate professional, a lawyer, to look at the contracts and make sure that everybody knows what's going on and that those contracts reflect what your actual intent is as you're going forward.